Hi, in this Avanti Neurons for ITSM video, you will learn how to archive data from the Neurons for ITSM databases. Working with data archival and data retrieval is the recommended method for archiving records. However, as this functionality is exclusive to the cloud, on-premise customers can still utilize the legacy feature archiving and deleting data from the Neurons for ITSM databases. In this video, we cover two main components of data archival. The first component is archive data, which includes the following steps. 1. Specify the business object to archive. 2. Trigger the workflow using the business object. The second component is to modify the age of the data to archive. Let's see how to specify the business object to archive. Log in as administrator. Go to Configuration Console. Click Business Objects. Let's demonstrate this feature using an incident business object as an example. Click the Workflows tab to view and manage the workflows associated with incidents. Click Add New to create a new workflow. Choose the business object from the drop-down menu. In this case, it is Incident. Next, provide a list name, display name, and description. Click Save to apply the changes. Click Add Version to create a new version of the workflow. Locate Archive for Search Workflow block to archive various records from a business object. Then drag the block. Let's drop the block here. Similarly, drag and drop the Start and Stop block as shown here. To connect the blocks, click a block and drag it to the next. Double-click the Archive for Search block. In the Archive for Search block Properties dialog, provide the required details. In this example, a title is given, selected Incident as Object and all resolved closed incidents as search definition. Finally, click Save. Click Configuration. In the Workflow Configuration dialog, enter the required details for the trigger definition. In this example, selecting both checkboxes for object-level conditions to cover both new and existing business objects. Then, under field-level conditions, check the specific field's updated option, choosing AND as the logical operator. Next, in the drop-down, selecting Status as the field, Equal to as the operator, and Logged as the value. Finally, click Save. Click Save. Click the Publish icon. Click Yes to confirm your choice. After publication, the color of the workflow item changes to green. Let's review the data we plan to archive before proceeding. Open Incident Workspace from the home page. Click All Resolved Closed Incidents from the drop-down. We can see there are 3 incidents records that are either resolved or closed. Let's try how to trigger the workflow using the business object to archive the above data. Click New to create a new incident record and initiate the archiving process. Enter the mandatory fields for the record. Select the status as given in the workflow configuration. In this example, we given Logged as the status during workflow configuration, hence selecting the same here. Click the Add icon and select Workflow Instance from the drop-down. Click Save. Click the Refresh icon, and under the Workflow Instance tab, you can see the list of available workflow instances. Open Incident section from the home page. Click All Resolved Closed Incidents from the drop-down. Now we can see that all the resolved or closed are archived. This is how to archive data using the archiving and deleting data from the Neurons for ITSM databases feature. Optionally, you can modify the age of data to archive. Let's take a look at how to do it. Go to Configuration Console. Click Global Constants option. Locate Archive Age. Double-click the Value field to edit the value as needed. Click Save to apply the change. This is how to modify the archive age of data. Thank you for watching the video. Try it now. For more help, visit help.avanti.com.